Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Boost. My name is Anna, and I am your English speaking friend. If you want to speak English confidently, if you want to speak English without fear, then you are in the right place. In this podcast, we learn English slowly. We learn English clearly, and we learn English with confidence. Before we start, please take 1 second, like this video, subscribe to Talk Boost, because every day I share English that is simple, practical, and friendly. Now, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You don't need perfect English here. You only need practice. And I am here with you. Let's begin. Part 1. Speaking English confidently. Many learners ask me, Anna, how can I speak English confidently? Let me tell you something very important. Confidence does not come from perfect English. Confidence comes from using English every day. You do not need big words. You do not need long sentences. You need clear words. You need simple sentences. Let me say this clearly. Making mistakes is normal. Making mistakes means you are learning. Children make mistakes, and they still speak confidently. Why? Because they are not afraid. You must think like a learner, not like a judge. When you speak English, say this to yourself. It is okay. I am learning. Say it again. Slowly. It is okay. I am learning. Confidence is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Even 5 minutes a day is powerful. Part 2. Daily English practice routine. Simple and realistic. Now let's talk about daily practice. You do not need 2 hours. You do not need expensive courses. You need consistency. Here is a simple daily routine you can follow at home. Morning 5 minutes. When you wake up, say 3 sentences in English. For example, today is a good day. I will practice English today. I am improving slowly. Say them out loud. Your voice matters. Afternoon 10 minutes. Choose one small activity. Read a short English paragraph. Listen to a short English video. Repeat English sentences after me. Do not rush. Slow is good. Night 5 minutes. Before sleeping. Part 3. How to think in English. Many learners say, Anna, I think in my language. Then I translate. This makes speaking slow and stressful. So how do we think in English? Start with simple thoughts. Do not think long sentences. Start small. When you see a cup, think, this is a cup. When you are eating, think, I am eating food. When you are walking, think, I am walking. This feels silly. but it works. Your brain learns naturally. Do this daily. Even 1 minute helps. Over time, English becomes automatic. Part 4. Common English mistakes. Let's talk about mistakes. Here are some very common mistakes. Mistake 1. Fear of grammar. Many learners stop speaking because of grammar. Listen carefully. Communication is more important than grammar. If you say, "Yesterday I go market," people still understand you. That is success. Grammar improves with time. Speaking comes first. Mistake 2. Comparing yourself. Do not compare your English with native speakers. Compare your English with your past self. Ask, "Am I better than last month?" That is enough. Mistake 3. Waiting to be perfect. There is no perfect time. Start now. Speak now. Perfect English does not exist. Part 5. English practice at home. No partner, NEED. You can practice English alone. Yes, alone. Here are easy methods. Speak to yourself. Talk about your day. Now I am cooking. Now I am watching TV. You are not crazy. You are learning. Take a small paragraph. Read it out loud. Your mouth needs practice. Shadowing practice. Listen to English. Pause. Repeat. Copy the sound. Copy the rhythm. This improves pronunciation. Part 6. Motivation to speak English without fear. Now listen to me carefully. Fear is normal. Even confident speakers feel fear. The difference is they speak anyway. English is not your enemy. English is a tool. You are not bad at English. You are just in practice mode. Say this with me. I allow myself to make mistakes. I allow myself to learn. I am proud of my effort. Every word you speak is progress. Every mistake is a step forward. Daily confidence affirmations. Repeat with me. Let's do this together. Repeat slowly. I can speak English. My English is improving. I am not afraid to speak. Practice makes me better. Before we end, I want you to remember this. You do not need perfect English to live a better life. You need confidence. You need practice. You need patience. And you are not alone. I am here with you. Talk Boost is here for you. If today you spoke one sentence, that is success. If today you listened carefully, that is success. Small steps every day. If this podcast helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. I will speak English confidently. I believe in you. Keep going. See you in the next video.